welcome back everybody to Ladybug Lane Soaps, and this is Margie, your hostess for the mostest. So I hope everybody is having a good day, and so we're making a whole bunch of men's soaps. Besides my husband, I have two older boys in their 20s or close to 30, and so they go through a lot of men's soap, and I have several men customers who just love just a good, simple, plain bar of soap. So the first one that I'm going to be using, let's see, get a little closer. Oh, and by the way, I did buy a brand new tripod from off of Amazon, and it was on sale. It's absolutely love it. So I bought, oh gosh, just a whole bunch of different, like I say, men's fragrances. Come on, you. From Sierra, which is in our state of Washington, and it's up in Everett, maybe about an hour or more from me. So this is called Lord of MISRULE, the Lush type, and I have already made some men's wet shaving soap from it, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's well, when I say beautiful, I mean it's just it's a bar of soap that I'm going to be using. 8 ounces. It just has a little bit of vanillin. And so that's going to be for today. First time I've used it in soap, though. You know, and when you use a fragrance oil in the wet shaving soap, actually, hold on just a second, I'll show you. Here I come. Sorry about that. All right, so this is the Lord of MISRULE in my men's shaving bar, and here are all of the nice ingredients, you know, cocoa butter, shea butter, sunflower, jojoba, argan oils. I mean, it's just very, very nice. And this reminds me, I mean, the scent of olive branch, which is also from Lush. So anyway, well, let's get going, gang. This is just, it's just going to be one color. I don't like to get too fancy for the men's soap. Okay, we have about 95. And the lye solution is already getting a little bit of the lye crusty. So that's about 103. So that's fantastic. Move that off to the side, and I have not put in my kaolin clay. Oh my gosh. So this is a big batch. This is 140 ounces of oils, which will make 12 pounds of soap. I swear I am challenged right now. There we go. That top is always kind of funny. All right, and then just give this a little stick blender. Stick blender. My husband gave me this new blender for Christmas, and it sure is more powerful than the old one. Okay, I did take off that little red cap, and then here is some homemade kind of a sugar syrup in here. Is it going to focus? No, you really can't tell. It's just boiled down sugar in water, and that helps with the bubbles. So, all right, gang, let's get going. Pour that down the shaft of the stick blender. I tell you, we are so ready for a bunch of sunshine in spring. When I say spring, I mean less rain. Living on this side, on the west coast of Washington State, oh my gosh, we have just We have had the rain and the rain slides and flooding. It's just been crazy. Okay, so far so good. I think I'll give it just a little whirl. Okay. I don't like that scraping on the bottom. Yeah, so when my husband and I went shopping at Costco to get some more olive oil a couple of days ago, I could not believe the sticker shock, folks. For, you know, the, what is it? Not the Private Selection, whatever the brand is that Costco has for their olive oil. For the 2-pack, those two big olive oils. Actually, yeah, it's, what is it? The Kirkland. There you go. What is it? Three quarts. So 2 of those. They have gone from, let me see if I can focus a little bit more. Yeah, so they have gone from like $20 to 30. Maybe just like, you know, within the year. It's just been crazy. Okay, this isn't looking too shabby. Still a little bit runny, so oil and see what happens. Okay. Now this recipe does have a high amount of soybean. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh, that smells so nice. Okay, are we thickening up? Any acceleration going on? Not yet. Wow. And so that was only using a 1.5 to 1 water to lye. And I was going to put in just a little bit of my syrup, if I can get the top off. Let's see, maybe not too much. Maybe like a half. That's probably not going to do too much. If you put in too much sugar, you run the risk of heating up the batter, then you'll have cracks on top. Okay, that's looking a little bit better. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to call that good. Okay, here is my handy dandy 12-pound mold. Okay. Okay, that is nice. Yep. Okay, did you see that? That's nice. Okay. In she goes. right up there at the tippy top. Okay. Well, that behaved excellent, if I do say so myself. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out the notes. I think they say it's supposed to be like, you know, lemon, limes, musk, I don't know, something, but it's just, it's a fragrance that, you know, men and women could absolutely fall in love with. Oh, you know what I forgot to put in here? Oh my gosh, was the sodium lactate. Oh, I guess I won't be taking this thing out of the mold tomorrow. Oh, shooty. Okay, let's get in the corner. Don't put the baby in the corner. All right, gang. There she is. There he is. There you go. Okay, so it might take a few days for me to cut that since I forgot the sodium lactate. So I'll see you then.